everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. I am Oman Shagarwal and today we are going to explore one of the most interactive features in Scratch, the video sensing extension. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use your webcam to detect movement in real time and create cool visual effects like color changes or animation when your sprite senses motion. So let's dive into the magic of video sensing extension. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and let's jump into Scratch. First, we will change the name of this cat sprite. That is going to be cat. Now, we will take a backdrop. You can take any of the backdrop, but I will take blue sky. After this, I will add extension. Go to add an extension and then you will see over here an extension video sensing that senses our motion and we will be visible on the screen. So click on it and over here there are 4 blocks. The first one is when video motion is greater than 10, means if we will set this 5, then it's almost like we are still. Just move very little. And 10 to 20 means a little bit movement. And if above 30, then you are like you need to wave your hands. Means too much movement. And this video motion on sprite, if you will click on the drop down, you will see 2 options, motion and direction. And over here you will see sprite and stage. And the third block is turn video off 1. So if I will turn on my video, oh look, my video is visible on the screen. And if I will off the video, my screen is not visible, it is invisible. And if on flip, then see, I have gone to the right side, but I am shown at the left side. So this is the on flip one. And set video transparency to 50 means both of them, our video also and the backdrop too. So for this, I'll give you an example. First, I'll turn on my video. And now, I'll take this set video transparency to 50 block. And then I will give you an example with set video transparency to 100. I'll click on the block. And now you cannot see my screen. Means 100 is equal to the screen has disappeared. And if I'll do it 0, then look, you can see my clear video. Okay? So now let's start with the coding. And yes, don't delete this set video transparency to 0 block. Just take when video motion is greater than 50. Then set video transparency to 0. And then take change color effect by 25. Then motion, glide 1 second to random position. And then go to sound, play sound meow until done. Go to video sensing and I have to turn video on. Oh! You can see my video, and if I will move and I will touch the cat will play the sound meow, and then it will move to random position, right? So, now we will do the coding to stop this script. Go to events and take when the sprite clicked. When the sprite clicked, video sensing, turn video off and then control stop all. Now you can see if I click the cat, my video is off. Now after this, if we want to turn on the video, what we will do? Again, events, when flag clicked, video sensing, turn video on. Now let's go and see on big screen. Our coding is done. This was a very simple game. Now we will click the green flag. Oh, my screen is over here. Now let's play. Oh, cat is just moving around and playing the sound meow. Oh, fun! I hope you understand and like this video. If you please like, subscribe, share to your family and friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.